Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 6 divide 2 divide 6, then it's all divided by 2. Okay, so we can write as in the parenthesis 6 divide 2 divide 6. Okay, then divide 2. So now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is a parenthesis. So first priority is parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay. In this parenthesis, here is one division and here is division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. So 6 divide 2 is equal to 3. So 3 divided by 6 divide 2. Okay, now 3 divide 6 can be written as 3 by 6 divide 2. Okay, now according to KCF rule, K means keep this fraction as it is same is equal to write this fraction as it is same 3 by 6. C means change this sign from division to multiplication, and F means flip this last 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so cancel this 6 by using this 3. So 2 and here 3 divide 3 is equal to 1. So 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, then 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 by 4. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.